Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm back with another door panel video. Today we're working on a 2020 Chevy Malibu. I'll leave in the title, obviously you'll see the year range. I think there's several years that are all the same, but this is kind of a process with these things. So I'm going to be showing you how to do the front and the rear, and also probably putting it back on, because it is kind of a task to put it back on the right way. So let's get started. Okay, so there's several screws in this door panel, and I'll be showing you how to remove all of the little covers to access all of those screws. First, there's going to be a little panel right here. I usually like to go up in this corner, pop it out like that, and as you can see, it has a little hook in the bottom there. It goes into the bottom. Just pull the top back. That's it. And then also there will be a screw right here. There's a rock in here for some reason. There's usually a little cover in here. It's a little rubber cover. You'll need to pull that out. This car doesn't have that in here, so I don't have to worry about taking that cover off. And that will show you that screw right there. Okay, and both screws will be a 7mm. I've got just a screw gun here, just to make life a little easier. Take that one out. We'll take this one out. I'll leave a link in the description for this little tool set. It comes with these plastic pry tools like this, as well as these pick tools. Very handy to have if you're going to be taking door panels off. But next we will need to take off this window switch, or at least pry up to access some more screws. So this takes a little bit of finessing here. Keep slipping out of it. Okay, I usually like to go in this corner, pry it up like that. And usually once you get it started, you can kind of grab it with your hand and wiggle it free. Just like that. And I'm gonna take the rock out real quick. When you pry this up, you're gonna want to make sure that these gold clips right here are still gonna be in place, because as you can see, I think somebody has been in this one before. There's supposed to be one right here, one of those gold clips, just like that, right here in the center, to go right here in that hole, and that is missing. So that gives you access to 2 more screws right here. And then the next one right beside it. Sometimes that one's a little hard to get out, or at least grab with your hand. So I like to get a little magnet and just pull it out like that. Now you have, I believe, 1 more screw down here on the bottom of the door panel. It is right here. Sorry, I cannot see. Pull it out just like that. And now I'm tinting this door, so I still need the window switch plugged in so I can roll it up and down. So I'm just going to kind of set it right there, still loose. Chevy gives you a good little lip down here to where you can grab this door panel, or you can use a trim tool and put it in there and pry it. I like to just grab it. Okay, so I'm going to have to use a pry tool here. I'm just going to stick it in here. Start popping some clips loose. Just like that. And just go all the way around the outside of the door. Just like that. Now when you get it really loose like this, feels like it's just kind of in the top. you'll just want to kind of push it up, just like that, get it loose. The bottom sweep will come with the door panel. And then later when I get this thing tinted, I'll show you how to put it back on. But you'll just want to slide it off, just like that. It's kind of a pain to get around this thing right here, but just pull it off right like that. Now, if you're tinting the window like me, these are really handy to have. This is just an S-hook. I'll leave a link in the description for these also. It's good. You can just put it in here, put it around the sweep, and then you can just hang it just like that. Okay, now it's all tinted and everything, good to go. But to put this back on, like I said, I do recommend getting that set in the description. You'll have one of these tools. I know it may be a little dark and hard to see, but this is really handy for getting, there's clips that go up in here, which I'll show you here in a second. But first, you want to make sure that you have all the clips out of the door. So look around. There's a couple on that side, but you can see this red clip here and here. Those need to come out. These clips are a royal pain in the butt to get out. They are not fun whatsoever, and you pretty much have to break them to get them out. So there is the one. We're just going to slide that guy back in place. Okay, so I've got all of the clips out. I've got the door panel here. The next thing you want to do is slide the sweep out of the door panel. So you can literally just pull it out like that. The next thing you want to do is get these metal clips out, which I can't really get on this camera, but once I pop one out, I will show you. Okay, so this is the clip I was talking about. So it sits in the door panel like this, just in there like this. So as you can see, there's this little clip. This will be in the door panel. So this is going to be hard to. So how I do it is I take this little blue tool, slide it in there like this. Really, it's the other way. Slide it in there like that and just pry it out. That's pretty much the simplest way to do it that I have found. But you'll want to pop all of those out, and you can see these little metal like indentions right here. That is where these things will slide. You can see how this is made. You'll just slide it in right like that before you put the sweep in. Now I'm gonna get to popping all these back out, and I'll show you putting the sweep in and then putting the door panel back on. Okay, so I've got all those clips back in. You want to take your sweep, put it in like this. Make sure it's down good. And now you'll just take your door panel, just line it up. Just like that. I usually like to pop those in, that way it stays into place pretty good. And then work your way around, popping each clip in. And now you just want to put all your screws back in. Once you get all your screws in, now you want to make sure you don't forget to put these little things back in. Just put it in like that. Start the bottom first, pop the top in, and then put this back in, which I don't have. So next we'll move on to the rear. I probably won't show the process of taking this off because it's exactly like the front. You know, get your one screw here, the one here, take your window switch out, and get the two in there, and then there's one on the bottom. And it's the exact same process. Pop the clips, do the same thing for taking this off of here and putting the sweep back in. It's literally identical. So that's how you remove the door panel and also put it back on. It is kind of a process to get it back on and off, but it's not too hard. Once you figure it out, then the rest will be super easy. But if you have any questions, be sure to leave them below. I'll try to answer any questions that I can, but I will see you guys in the next one.